Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ignorantia Icon. Yeah, welcome back. Today we shall be discussing, is president above the law? I've seen many presidents even in social media where people are asking, is president above the law? Is governor above the law? Is minister above the law? Today we shall be specific on president, if president is above the law. But let me chip in this first of all. No one is above the law. Let's use one of the law Latin words in the law if you're a lawyer or if you study law, but you know it today. It is called nemo supra legis. Nemo supra legis. It means that no one is above the law. Nemo supra legis. No one is above the law. So I agree with this one. You might have gotten answer to if governor is above the law, if anyone is above the law. That someone has an immunity doesn't make him be above the law. It only means that during your term in the office, maybe let me just assume 4 years. Nigeria practice 4 years in the office as a governor, as a president. Then within that period, you are immune not to be arrested or prosecuted, because immunity does what? Covers you. Go and check the case of Umeh and the others versus Nigeria. That case is talking about no one is above the law. It means that within the specific period or time in the office, that no one will arrest you, no one will do or prosecute you. But once the tenure in your office expires, you will be arrested and prosecuted duly. That means the immunity that covers is not you. That immunity covers the office that you are acquiring, or the office that you occupied. That means that immunity is for that office, not for you. Because once the tenure of office does what? Expires or ends, you will be prosecuted and arrested for the offenses you might have committed so far. That is the law. So we need to be very careful, and we need to know that president is not above the law. Please, no one is above the law. Despite there is immunity, the immunity is for the particular period of time that you are in that particular office. Once you leave that office, or once that office has been expired, or once maybe you might have sacked, or you might have been sanctioned, or maybe you might have left the office, or maybe you are incapacitated. One of the things that could make someone to be removed from an office if he's not deaf is incapacitation. Incapacitation means that you are not able to perform again, or you're not capable to perform again in that particular office. You can be removed. That is the law. So once you are removed from that office, all those offenses, all those crimes or offenses that you might have committed will now come after you. So after listening to this video, I believe that you know that no one is above the law. Don't even say he's a soldier. He's president now. Nothing will happen. Something will happen, please. In law, no one is above the law. We are all equal. It is called equality before the law. Go and check chapter 4 of 1999 Constitution as amended. You see the rights that is enshrined to you as a citizen, as a human being. Because as far as a human being, you are entitled to those rights. Once those rights are removed, you're not a human being. So no one is above the law. And one of those rights is equality before the law. We are all equals before the law. We are all equals before the law. If you check even if you check a Universal Declaration of Human Rights, you check the Nigerian Constitution, you see many other rights that is enshrined to you as a human being. You are entitled to those rights. Please, thank you for listening to my YouTube channel. As the mention of Icon, please subscribe, like, and comment. God bless you.